Hi everyone, hi, and good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning to everyone. So, hi. So, tell your friends to join quickly, and we will start today's class. And yesterday, what we have discussed, just we will glance it once quickly as early as possible. Then we will start the lesson, today's topic. So, keep tell your friends to join as soon as possible. So, it is audible, I think. Hi everyone, it is audible, I think. All of you can hear me clearly. Yes. Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. So, is that today's date again AP lesson we have to go through it, and very interestingly, yesterday we have discussed AP, and today also we are going to continue with the AP. And today we have learning something extra, something new. Okay, so I hope. Yes, hi everyone, hi. Okay, several students are missing today, and let us they will join. Okay, so there are several students. Yes, good morning everyone, good morning. And all of you keep that video on live, so not video, that is the stream live. You have to keep the stream totally live. You keep it because it will be better. If you will keep it live, then it will be continuous. Otherwise what will happen, only you will see the previous one. Yes, previous one you will see. So one, it is better to keep that live. Okay, the we have to write, put the tab on the right side of your screen, so it will make a live for you. So some of you are giving the answer for the previous question, then it will not be good in a stream. So for that purpose, keep that alive, it will be better. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let us start today's class, starting with the intro. Good morning everyone, good morning, good morning. Welcome to PSM for Solution Math. I am Educator Suman here. Today we are going for the arithmetic progression lesson, and it is the third day continuously. The third day we are discussing, and for everyone, welcome once again to those who have joined now and those who have today only joined. One thing for you, I have already done the two videos on this live stream I have done from the last 2 days. If you have missed it, you can check it in my YouTube channel, and the link is given in description. There also you can check it. So now we will move on to the topic. In a previous class, we are discussing about it only, AP only, but in AP we have discussed about the, again what you have discussed. Just you have to glance quickly, just you glance it what we have learned so far. We will not do everything now today. Once again, just we will glance the first one what you have studied. Quickly tell me that what you have studied from the last class. Just quick refresh. Once you refresh it, let us see how many of you have remembered anything or what, or you forgot directly. And yesterday I have given told you to find the answer for the some questions. That is, some questions were given and you have told you to solve, and several students have solved it. Very good. So I am not saying that only one or two students have solved it. Several students have solved it, and you have sent the answer for me, and it is very good to see the your participation in the studies. Okay, very good. So let us go for the other thing, the next part. So here several students have already sent. So exactly I don't know few members name, but few members name I know. Yes, we have learnt in a last class formula. We have learnt finding the term of an AP. We have learnt. Yes, good. Then what is the AP? We have learnt. Yes, again nth term we have learnt. Yes, formula to find the nth term of an AP. Yes, we have learnt. And also we have learned the common difference. Simple thing we have to go first. We have learnt what is A, what is D. A means the first term, D means the common difference. Then you have went for what is the AN. AN formula we have learnt, and then we have went for the n value, how to find the n value. And yesterday I have given the two questions for you as you have to do as a work, and several students have done it very good. Those who are not done, no problem, you can do it today and you can send it to me. Okay, clearly. Okay, let us go for the today's thing. And yesterday I have given one some questions for you and have told you to only to prove. And I hope you have done that. And if you have not done, just you have to practice and you have to do. So I will give one more question. So write it down and find this answer. And quickly you have to tell it to me. So quickly, just to go through it and find that answer. So what is that question is? Check whether. A general form also we have learned. Yes, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers, that is 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. So what is the question here is given? Just if you will clarify and if you will see it clearly, you will come to know. So it is a question they have not given as a previous one. It is little bit they have done little bit differently. What they have given? What they have given here? So question here, yes, Abhishek Yadav, formula yes, yesterday we have learned. Yes, good. But what is the question here? Whether they have told you to find something here. Check whether 301 is the term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, and 23 and so on they have given. What they have told you to find here? It is not as this one. It is not as way. I will do it here. It is not like this way. 2, 6, 10 and so on 58. Okay, like this way they have not mentioned. 58 they have not mentioned. It is quite reverse. How to check whether it comes in a sequence or no? Yes, very good. Here we have to prove it is not like this way. How to the 58 is a term here. It is given that in this question, that is 2, 6, 10 and so on to 58. Here definitely you will going to get 58 is the term of the given AP. 58 will be the term of the given AP. Okay, direct it is. 58 will be the term. But in this question, 301 what we have taken, what they have given, it may be a term or may not be a term. 301 may be a term of this sequence, or 301 may not be a sequence in this sequence. Okay, so we don't know exactly. To find it, we have to follow the same rule what we have done here. So what you are going to think? What we have to do for this example? I'm not saying about the first one, I'm taking the for the second one. If the numbers are 2, 6, 10 and so on to the 58, what we have to consider here? 58 will become which term? 58 will become which term? Clearly 58 will become which term? The 58 is going to be which term? Yes, yes, it will become the nth term. Yes, 58 will become the nth term. Okay, 58 will become the nth term and a value will be 2 and the d value we can find it by a2 minus a1. A2 means this 6, a1 means 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, d will become the fourth term and we can find a value is 2. So we can find the an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, because we want to find the d value. I am not solving this problem. I am solving the one more problem how it will come. So an value is 58 we are taking, a value is 2, n minus 1 we don't know, so keep it as it is. D value is 4, and just I will take it down and I will simplify this first, then we will come for the previous one question. 2 I can bring it this side because it is a plus here, so it is 58 minus 2, that is equals to n minus 1 into 4. So 58 minus 2 is 56, that is equals to n minus 1 into 4. So 4 we will bring this side, it will divide 56 by 4, that is equals to n minus 1. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 16 is left, 4 fours are. So 14 is equals to n minus 1. So n value is equals to 14 minus 1. If you bring this side, it will become plus 1. So n value will become 15. Yes, the 15th term of an given AP is 58. So this question answer is this 58 is the part of 15th. 58 is nothing but is the 15th term. Yes. So I can write down A15 is equals to 58. Means here n value is 15, no? So an is equals to 58 we have taken. So A15 is equals to 58. Like this way we can find the second one. Okay. This is the way how we can find the second one answer. But my question is not this one. If it was like this way, we might have done. But here clearly I will tell you one thing you remember. If 58 is a term, remember if the question was whether the 58 is a term or what. If 58 is a term, that time the n value must be 15 is a which number? 15 is a which number? Okay, 15 is a which number? My question is that which is the 15 is the number? Which number it is? 15 is which number? Because if you want to find the 58 is a part of the given sequence or what? Yes, it is a part of a given sequence because 58 it is a 15th term I have taken. So 15 is which number? 15 is a fraction value or a natural number. Which number it is? 15 is a natural number or a fraction value? Quickly. 15 is n value. Yes, I know that 15 is the n value, but 15 is a what type of a number, whether it is a natural number or a fraction value or which type of a number. That is most important. Okay, it is natural number. Obviously, it is a natural number. If we got n value as 14.8 or 14.7 or 14.6 point value, a fraction value, when it will be a fraction value, that time that term is not a AP. Which term they have given? For example, 58. What is that? That it will not become the AP if it will get a fraction value. When it will become a fraction value. Okay, so here the given question we will move on the same rule. Which one? The previous one, that is the check whether the given terms of an AP what they have given, that question we will move on. So this is the question what we have. Check whether the 301 is the term of the list of a number 5, 11, 17, 23 is there. Okay, so that list we will take. Yes, it will not become the sequence of AP. Okay, so 301 what we have now, the 301 number we will take as a nth term. Okay, we will take as a nth term. Yes, Sudesh Naiko, 15 can be written as a 15 by 1. Yes, 15 by 1 we can write down, but 15 by 1 is 15 only. 15 is a natural number. We will not get the fraction, means point value we will not get. Yes, so for that purpose it will become. Okay. Yes, here we have 301. No, that 301 what we have, let us consider the 301 as a en. For assumption, let. We don't know the answer, so we will write down as a let because we will consider it as a last term. 301 we will consider last term. Okay, then we have to find the n value. Understood? Whenever like this question it will come, take down it as a n value. Now a value we know. A value is nothing but a1 is nothing but 5 first term. And similarly, d value also we know that is nothing but a2 minus a1, that is nothing but 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6. So d value will become 6. Clear? So this is the way we have to move on. Then we have to substitute in the formula. That is nothing but an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So an value we know that 301. A value we already got here, that is 5. A1 and A is similar. I have told already in the previous class. An value is 301 we have got. So n minus 1 we have to write down as it is. D value is 6. Yes, very good. So now 5 we have to shift on the other side. 301 divided, 301 minus 5 we have to do, not divide, sorry, plus it is, so minus it will be. So that is equals to n minus 1 into 6 we have. Here you see, when you are proving it, remember, when you are proving it, whether the given number is a term of an AP or what, that time you do one thing, 6 you multiply inside. Why I'm saying that multiply inside means it will be easier for you to solve. Okay, multiply inside. Afterwards you can shift that 5 also, not a problem. So here 6 into n is 6n minus 6. Okay, I'm multiplying 6 to the inside the bracket. So it will become 296. Okay, now again the minus 6 what we have, that minus 6 again we will bring it to the, so that is equal to 6n minus 6, that's minus 6 I will bring it to the left hand side. Okay, I'm not taking the 6 directly division because again 6 we will have, the minus 1 will have, it will be difficult afterward. So 296 plus 6, that is equals to 6n we have. So 302 is equals to 6n we have. So n we will have 302 divided by 6 we are going to get. So when you will do 302 divided by 6, whether it is possible to find the final answer, just you see, 302 divided by 6 we have. 6 5 is 30. So 0 it will be, 2 you will bring it down, but you can't divide it, so you will take it 0. So you will take a point and you will take a 0 once again. 6 3 is 18. 2 is left. Again you can take 0. 3 is 18. Again 2 left. It will continue. So n value is nothing but here 50.33. The n value will become 50.33. Yes, 50.33. It is not a 52. It will not become 52. It will become a 50.233. Okay, so it will continue further like this way only, it is continuing, it will not stop. Okay, and some of you may say that, sir, why have done like this way calculation? Previous one you have done little bit differently. Yes, you can do any type of a calculation, it is not that. 6 I have multiplied here n to and 6, remember 6 I have multiplied for this n separately and for this minus 1 separately, so it happened. You can go with the previous method also, or you can do like this way, 301 you keep it as it is, 5 you keep it as it is, multiply 6 into n is 6n, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, so 5 minus 6 is 6n, minus 1 we have 301. This minus 1 you shift on that side, it will become 302 is equal to 6n. So n you keep it as it is, 302 divided by 6. This way also you can do the same answer you are going to get. So anyhow you can do it anyhow, you must get the same answer. So now you see, n value is a fraction. I have already told you, n value, it must be a natural number. N must be a natural number. It must not have any fraction value. If it will come fraction value, the given 301 is not a number of the given sequence. So 301 is not a term of the given list. Given list, that is nothing but what they have given the list as for you, 5, 11 and 17 something, and next is 23 and so on. So this is not the, yes, this is not the 301 is not a term now. Clear? Yes, it is the way how we have to find whether it is a given thing is a term or given term is not a term, just you can identify. Is it easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Yes. Clear it is, yes? Yes, no problem at all. So fraction value will not, it will not take, that's all. Okay, let us go with the one more question, one more type of a question we are going to have. Okay, let us go for one more question. So let us see how many of you will solve this and how many of you will get the answer properly. Or just we will go through it. Yes, easy, it is very easy. So let us go with the different type of a question. How the question will come for your exam point of view will go. So if it will come for this exam point of view, there will be asking of the different type of questions. So see here, now the logic question will start. Now exactly the logic question will start from now. Okay. So take down the first question. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 5? See the question, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 5? So this is the question. So you have to solve it by rule. And when you will see this question, whether it is a AP question or what, we will think. Okay, we will think whether it is a AP question or what. Yes, remember when the question is given, no, first we have to concentrate whether they have given divisible or multiply. So if it is given divisible and multiply by one single number 5 or any other number, if they have given, it is an AP. It is an AP. The word very important, divisible or a multiplication, multiply. Okay. So that number when it will come, any number maybe, it is not the 5 only, you can take 3, 4, 6, 8 and any number maybe. That is not the problem. But we have to see how many terms are there. Yes, we have some students have already got the answer. Okay. My question is the divisible by 5. Which are the numbers are divisible by 5? Which are the numbers are there which is divisible by 5? How many numbers are divisible by 5? So which is the first number which is divisible by 5? Quickly. Yes, first number which is divisible by 5. No, I'm asking which number is divisible by 5 first. In a number system, which is the first number which is divisible by 5? Okay. I'm asking which, yes, first number is 5. The first number which is divisible by 5 is a 5. 5 itself. 5 ones are 5. Second number is 10. Next number is 15. Next number is 20. Then it will go on, so on. It will continue. But the question is, it is not they have given which is divisible by itself. They have given something else also. What is that? Two-digit number. So which is the two-digit number in this? Which is the first two-digit number? Whether 5 is a two-digit number? No. 5 is not a two-digit number, so we can't consider the 5. The first two-digit number is 10. So 10 is the first number, two-digit number which is divisible by 5 first. Then we have 15, then we have 20, then it will continue. Okay, this is the one rule we have finished. But like this way it will continue. So how much it will continue? Yes, till how much it will continue? It must continue till less than 100. Why it is less than 100? Because 100 is a three-digit number. 100 is a three-digit number. So 99 may be. 99 may be the divisible by 5. But you know which is the number which is divisible by 5. 99 is not divisible by 5. Which is the last number which is divisible by 5? That we have to find. Which is the last number which is divisible by 5? Okay. So this is the last number we have to find which is divisible by 5. So now you tell me. Answer to me this question. 95. Yes, very good. We have to take not 99. We have to take which number is divisible at the end is 95. So 95 is the last two-digit number which is divisible by 90. That is 5. Which is divisible by 5. So this is the sequence. So we have to find the sequence first. So it is easier for you because the 95 number when it will come, it is easy. Last number we can take as a 5. Easily we can take the 5 as the last number, so 95 is the last number. But in place of 5, if they have given 4, what is the thing? That time also you have to think. First number is 4, next number is 8, next number is 12, next number is 16 and so on. two-digit number when it will come, you can't consider the 4 and 8. You can't consider the 4 and 8. If it is a divisible by 4, if I given, the last number is 100, but before that 100 we have to take 99 maybe, but we don't know 99 divisible by 4 or 1. So that time what you have to do, see here, I will tell you this easy method how you can find. Okay, because 100 whether it is divisible by 4 we don't know, 99 whether it is divisible by 4 we don't know. So that time what you have to take is 99 you take and divisible by 4 you do, and you see 4 2s are 8, 1 is left, 9 you will take, 4 4s are 16, 3 is left, means 3 more than the 99. So 99 is a, in 99 we have to minus this 3, and that number is the last number. That number is nothing but 99 minus 3 is what? 96. So 96 will become the last two digit number which is divisible by 4. Okay, see, I am teaching you how to find the last number because these numbers are small. If the numbers are very big, okay, this is the easy question. Next, I will give you a little bit difficult question. Let us see. Let us see how you will find. Okay, so just very good. So let us move towards the answer. So here the a value is 10. First a value, that is 10. The second one, we have to find the d value because the 95 is next term we have to find. How many terms are there means first term, second term, third term. So like that way, last term is 95. So an will become the 95. D value is a2 minus a1. A2 is here 15, A1 is 10, so D value is 5. Very good. So last one we have AN. AN is 95 because the last term is 95. So let us go with the formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is 95. That is equals to A value is 10 we have. N value is don't know. That is only how to find. D value is 5. So 10 we will, okay, in this case, you can do, I have told in a previous case you can do the calculation, multiply this 5 inside also, that is also possible, or directly you can go 95 minus 10, that is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So it will be 85. 10 95 minus 5 is 85. Okay, Pratika Potada, that don't worry, that I will solve, it is easy. So that we will have at 11 o'clock class we have, that time you join Pratika. 11 o'clock class we have will solve live questions only, and this is for the this year 10 students. Okay, next year those are writing the exam. This year those are writing the exam, you have at 11 o'clock class, you can join and you can ask the question, no problem. So here you have n minus 1 into 5. So now what is the next step is this 5 we have to shift on the other side. So what will happen? Yes, 85 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are. So 17 is equals to n minus 1. N is equals to 17 plus 1 because minus 1 will come this side. So 18 is the n value. So n value is 18 and that is our answer. Okay. So this is the way how we can find the n value. So there are how many terms? Two digit number which is divisible by 5. So there are 18 two digit numbers are divisible by 5. So there are 18 numbers are there which is divisible by 5. So that is your final answer. So like this way you can find the answer. Clear? Anyone have a doubt means you can ask quickly. Anyone have a doubt? Yes. No doubt, yes? Okay, let us go for the next question. I hope you understood. So similar type of question I will ask. Now you have to answer to me. Okay. Okay. So now let us go for the next question. So take down one more question. how many 3-digit number numbers are divisible. So here I can take divisible or multiplical. Okay, so that is also possible. Both are same. Divisible by 3. So first question, you understand it. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 3 it is. Okay, 3 they have given. So according to this, we have to find the 3-digit number, not the 2-digit number. And you know that the divisible by 3 numbers which is divisible by 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. But the problem is they are not asking about the 1-digit or 2-digit number. They are concentrating on the 3-digit. So you can't go with the 1-digit and 2-digit number. So which is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 3, that we have to find. For that purpose, you can go through the 3-digit number. If we start from 100, remember, yes, the first number is 100. First number is 100. But 100 is not divisible by 3. It is a 3-digit first number. But which is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 3? That we have to find. That time what you do is 100 you take down because the first 3-digit number. For that you divide with the 3. So you can see 3 3s are 9, 1 is left 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 is left. See here 1 is less. If you will do 1 less, it will be 99. For 100, if you do 1 less, it will be 99. So 99 is divisible by 3. So for that 99 you add 3 because first 3-digit number you have to find. So the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 102. So like this way we have to find. So first 3-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 102. So first number of the given AP, okay, that is 102 will become the first number. So how to do? 100 you take, divide with the 3, you will get, don't want this answer, no problem with this answer. So it will become 1 as a remainder. The first number we are finding, so we have to minus that with 100. It will be 99, but 99 is not that 3-digit number. So you add the 3 for that because next 3-digit number is 100. So now our last one more intention is to find the last number. We have to find the last number. So the last 3-digit number is 999, but you take down 1000 because it is the first 4-digit number and divide with the 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 is left, 0 you take. 3 3s are 9, again 1 is left, 0 you take. 3 3s are 9, so 1 is left. So here 1 is extra. That 1 you subtract from the 1000. 1000 minus 1, that is nothing but 999. So 999 is a large digit. 999 is a large digit. So these are the two numbers are required and nothing else. And to find the d value, whether it is you need to find the d value, whether it is possible, you want to find the d value here. Actually, d value is not necessary to find. A2 minus A1 is also no need to find. Why the A2 minus A1? Without doing the A2 minus A1, you can say that what is the d value? What is the d value without? Yes, why? No need to for the d A2 minus A1. Directly you can say the d value. What is the d value? Directly without doing the, okay. Okay. So anyone, if you have this one you can ask. Okay, just you tell me. Yes, d value is 3. Directly d value is 3. Why the d value will be 3 here? D value will be 3 because here you can see already they are again divisible by 3. Divisible by 5 means d value will be 5. Divisible by 3 means d value will be 3. So like this way, which number you have to find now, that will be the d value. Next one, a value. Very importantly, a value is first term, that is 102. And lastly 999 is nothing but a n value. Okay, now let us go for the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 999 A value is 102, N value don't know, so N minus 1, D value is 3. So bring this 102 on the other side, it will become a 999 minus 102, that is equals to N minus 1 into 3. So it will become a 102 you have to minus, so 897 it will be. Okay, 897 when you subtract it. So that is equals to N minus 1 into 3. This 3 I am bringing this side, it is into over there, so it will divide. So 897 divided by 3, it will become N minus 1. So here 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6, 29 we have, 3 nines are 27, again 2 we have, again 9s are 299 it will be. 299 is equals to N minus 1. See, N minus 1 we have, so minus 1 you have to shift. So I will write it on this side. 299 minus 1 if you shift, it will become plus 1, that is equals to N value. So 300 will become the N value. And this is not your final answer. You have to write it in a sequence. That is nothing but last sentence you have to write concluding statement. So 300, 3-digit numbers are divisible by 3. So that is your final answer. So very good. Those are already got the answer. It is not difficult, I have told, but very important. Okay. So anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Clearly, quickly. Yes, answer is 300 terms are the no. Okay, very good. If you don't have a doubt, not an issue. Just let us go for the next question. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. So just to glance it. Before that, just I will give one simple question. One simple question I will give you. Just how to find which term it will come and what it will come. How to find it. So let us go for the next question. Find the 10th term from the last term. Okay, you can write down two words. The first term was the first term of the AP okay, take down the AP as 5, 8, 11, so on. Okay, so here I have taken 95. Okay, this is a question what I have given. Just to make sure and write it down this and tell me what will become the first term, that is the 10th term from the last term. You have to find the 10th term from the last. Okay, the question when you will see. Okay, once you try and tell me what they have given and what you have to going to prove here. Actually, what you have to prove. Okay. Okay, ask answer. How what they have told you to prove here? Quickly, quickly. Answer to me this question. Answer to this question quickly. How to prove this? Anyone? 85th term? No. From the last we have to find the 10th term. Very good. So here is the question. Here we have to prove the 10th term from the last term. They have not told you to prove. See here, they have not told you to prove the 10th term from the first term. They have not told you to prove the 10th term from the first. They have told you to prove that the 10th term from the last term. So last we have to come backward. So there are two methods to find it. So just I will tell you, there are two methods to find it. The first one, yes, yes, very good. Unique bullet what we have now, that is also very good idea. So there are two methods to find it. So I will make a part of it. What are the two parts? What are the two types of answering this question? Clearly I will explain to you. So here they have told the first term is 5, no, second term is 8, third term is 11, and so on. The last term is an. Okay, that is the one method of finding. First we have to find what is the value of that 95, which term it is 95. From the third 95, it is how to find, not prove. We have to find the 10th term from the last term. 10th term from the last means not from this side 10th term. We have to come from 95 to this left side. Yes, Sanjit. So from the right hand side to the left side, we have to go towards the left side to find the which is the 10th term. Means like this way, A1, A2, A3, like this way. 10th term is which one we have to. There are two methods to solve this. So we will learn that two methods. First, we will go with the direct method. We will take the numbers as 5, 8, 11 and so on 95 as it is. Not a problem. So according to this, the A value will become 5. And D value will become 8 minus 5, that is A2 minus A1, that is nothing but 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. The D value will become 3. And third one is AN value. AN value is very important for us. Why that AN value is very important for us means we don't know which term is 95. If you found the 95 is the, for example, 95 is the 26th term. Yes, if you know that 95 is the 26th term, we can go back, which is that 10th term. From 26 we have to go back to the 10th term, means next is 25th, 24th term, then we will have 23rd term, then we have 22nd term. Like so we can go back and we can find which term is that 10th term is. So for that purpose we want to find what is the value of that n. Okay, yes, let us move towards this. I don't know whether it is the correct answer or what. Just we will find, not a problem. Okay, so here according to this, we will go because we have to find the n value. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now let us move towards the values. So 95 is the an value, a value is 5, n value we don't know, and d value is 3. So 95 minus 5, that is equals to n minus 1 into 3. 95 minus 5 is 90, that is equals to n minus 1 into 3. So here we will go, 3 will go downwards. So 90 by 3, that is equals to n minus 1. So I will write it down here. So next term will be 90 by 3, 90 by 3 is nothing but 30. 3 3 is. So 30 plus 1 is equals to n. So this minus 1 I have shifted to the other side. So 31 will become the n value. So remember 31st term. Yes, 31st term is our 95. Remember, I am not saying this is the answer. 95 what we have, that is the 31st term. They have not told you to find which is the 31st term. They have told you to find the 10th term from the last, means we have to go back. Which is the 10th term from the 31st term? For example, A31 is here, that is 95. So A30 will be some value, A29 will be one more value, A28 will be somewhere value, 27 will be one more value, but we have to go for the 10th term. Which will become the 10th term, whether A21 or A22, that is most important. So how to find? All of you concentrate here because several students have went wrong. So we have to go back from the last, first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, 26 is the 6th, 25 is the 7th, 24 is the 8th, 23 is the 9th, and 22nd, A22 will become the 10th term from the last. Several students went for A21. A21 is not the answer, A22 is the answer. How it came? How it comes? Just you see here. So when you are going backward, no, so we have to consider the last term also. So whenever you are finding the 10th term from last term, means that is a 31st term. That time what you have to do is 31 minus, not you have to do as a 10, you have to make it as 9. 10th term we are finding, but you have not supposed to make it a 9. 31 minus 10, 31 minus 9 we have to make, because one less we have to take, because we have to consider the 31st term also. So what is the term, which term we are going to find? The 22nd term will become the last 10th term from the last term, 10th term from the last. So A22, what is the answer? That is your last 10th term from the last. So A22 you have to find, not the A21. Why you are not supposed to go with the A21? Yes, you are not supposed to subtract 10. Why you are not supposed to subtract 10? Because when you are subtracting the 10, what will happen is the 31 we have to consider. When you will subtract this 32 minus 10, what will happen? 22 will come. Means that you are leaving that 32nd term. You are now supposed to leave that 32nd term. You have to include that 32nd term. So when you are going backward, you have to minus. If they have asked you to find the 10th term, you have to do 9. If they have asked you to find 15th term, what will be the calculation? What will be the calculation? Yeah, if they are asking the 15th term from the last, I'm asking, saying that from the last, it will be 31st term is the last term. 31 minus, not 15, one less you have to make, 14 you have to make, and it will be 70. Clear? Okay, clear? So like this way we have to consider. So if they have told you to find 15th term, you have to make it minus 14, not minus 15 only. Okay. Yes, very good. So now they have told you to find the 10th term. So we will go for the 10th term only, 10th term. So it is 9 minus, so 22 is the term. So A22, if you will find, that is the answer. A22 is nothing but A plus 21D or N minus 1, you can substitute. It will come like that way only. So A value, already you know what is the A value. Just we have A value is 5 and the D value is 3. So 21 into 3. So totally 5 plus 63. 3 ones are 3, 3 2 the 6. So answer will be 68. So A22 is 68. It is the answer, and you can write it down. The 10th term from the last term is 68, and that is your answer. So like this way you can find your answer, but it is a lengthy method. I will tell you a shortcut method. I will tell you the shortcut method. When the question will be asked like this way, you can go with the shortcut method. Remember, you can go with the shortcut method. And what is the shortcut method? That is also I am going to teach you. And it is not there in your textbook actually. They have not mentioned in your textbook, I think. Okay, they have mentioned, no problem. But we will go for your one more solution. How you can solve this? It is a lengthy method. 2 times you have to find the a and value. How you can find the shortcut method? If you have not understood this, very good. If you have not understood, go for the shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? So whenever they are asking for you from the last term, 10th term, 16th term, like this way, from the last term. Okay, from the last term, when they were asking, given AP what you have, make that AP reverse way. Make that AP reverse way. First you write down 95. Because you are finding from the last term, no? So make that 95 the first term, and you put that so on. The next number will be 11, the next number will be 8, and next number will be 5. Okay, so now what we have did is we have written the given AP in a reverse way, that 5, 8, 11 so on to 95 we have written as 95 so on to 11, 8 and 5. Now you have to find the 10th term from the last. Already we have shuffled the AP. Shuffled means we have reversed the AP. Therefore 95 will become the last term, it will become the first term. So we have to find the 10th term directly. So somewhere the 10th term will be here. Somewhere 10th term will be here. Thank you everyone, those who have given the appreciation. So 10th term will be somewhere here. So that term we have to find somewhere here. The 10th term we have, that we have to find. It is from the last only 95 I have reversed. So this one I can take the A1 and so on. This we can take anything. It is left to you. So A value will become 95. Now I have reversed the AP, so it will become the A value. AP, that is the A value will become 95. But what is D value? Okay, now you answer what will become the D value. Here A2 value is not there. A1 value we know, but A2 value we don't have. So how you can write it down? How we can write it down now? Yes, how it is possible to write it down the value? What is the value of the D now? Because we have to find the 10th term from the last. The last term I have written first. So from directly the 10th term we have to find. A10 we have to find. Yes, it will become the 3. It won't become the 3. It will become, see here, you can take any value, any two values, consecutive values you have to take. So here is no A2 means you can go with the last term. 8 and 5 we have, 8 and 11 we have, that we can consider. When you are applying for the D value to find, what you have to do is, you write down the last term first, that is 5 and minus 8, not 8 minus 5. Now I have reversed the AP. I have reversed the AP. Alternate method it is. So I have reversed the AP. So first number will become the 5 because this is considered as the next term and 8 is considered as the previous term. It is decreasing order. So 5 minus 8, the answer will become minus 3. D value is minus 3 now, not positive 3, negative 3. So now everything is what is required now. Just now we have everything. They have told you to find the 10th term. So A10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9D. So A value is 95, 9 is the as it is, D value is minus 3, remember. So first you BODMAS will have to follow, the multiplication we have to do first. So plus into negative is negative. 9 3 is 27. So 95 minus 27, what is the answer? Just you find. 95 minus 27 is nothing but the answer is 68. And see here, in a previous case we have done it. Yes, you can do 8 minus 11 also, not a problem. 8 minus 11 also you can do, that is the D value. But in a previous answer was this much big and we got the 68 as the answer, and here also we got the 68 as the answer only. We have not got anything else, we have got the same answer. Remember, this is also method is valid. So this is called the alternate method. Okay, alternate method. So there are two methods to solve it. From the last term, if they will ask, means make sure that reverse that whole AP only and apply A and D value, and from the last is 10th term. So already reversed, so it is from the front only. You have to find the 10th term, and this is your answer. And last sentence is very important. The same sentence what I have written here, that is also you have to copy it. That is nothing but the 10th term of the given AP from the last term is 68. So you have to write down here. Yes, it is easy method. 68 is the 10th term from the last term in a given AP. In a given AP. Okay. So anyone have a doubt, means here you can ask, and this is the end. I will conclude here. Which method is easy for you? Whether the first method was easy or alternate second method was easy? Which method is easy? Just you have to say it to me. Whether the first method was easy? Yes, you can use any method. It is not that you can have to use the first method only. You can use any method, any one method. Don't do both the method. Yes, second one is easy for you, then it is good. First one is easy for you, you can go with the first. Not a problem, but this method only valid when it is asked from the last term. When it is asked from the last term, then only apply this method. Otherwise, you don't apply that second method. Okay, so this is the way how you can find the answer. So today's homework question, just to make sure that take some homework question, otherwise you will not do work. So just find it, and I will give some numbers for you. You have to find the A value. I will give as 6, and the D value I will give as 4, and N value I will give as 7. You have to find the an value. Okay, second question, take down the first one. The second question, no, can we use the second method when we have to count from the first? Yes, when you are finding counting from the first, no. Yes, when you are finding from the first one, why will go for the second method? Miss, it is directly how to find A10, A6, like that way directly you can find. No problem, directly. Yes, yesterday what I have thought like that way only, you can go again, no problem with that. So take down the next problem. A is equals to minus 18, D value how to find here, and N value is 10, and AN value is 0. Remember, AN value is 0. These two questions tomorrow I want the answer. You send it to me, and once you send, and who will give the first answer, I will call your name for the tomorrow's class, live class. I will tell who have solved these two problems in the class. Yesterday those who have solved, I have not called your name today, but tomorrow I will call. So this much is for today. Tomorrow we will continue, and thank you for watching PSM. Please subscribe the channel, like and share also, and tell your friends that already started the AP lesson for the next year. Anyone is want to join, let them join, not a problem. The English maths, English medium, Kannada medium, no problem for that. You can understand the mathematics for the any medium. So see you tomorrow at the same time. If there is any problem with the stream, you can answer to me in the comment section, and you can put the any doubt in a comment section. You can follow me in Instagram also. Yes, yes, all of you take care, and see you tomorrow. And one more important thing I wanted to say, I have told that there is a competition. So yes, there is a competition in same rule. Last year I have done the two competition, and yes, last year I have done the two competition, and already they have given everything, prize and everything already given to them, and like that way only this year also there is a competition. Okay, so what is that competition and who can participate, everything I will tell you, and those who will win, so they have the prizes and all, and what rule and regulation, everything I will explain you what it is in the next class. So till then, you take care. So to complete this AP lesson, to complete this, no, I need again three classes, I think. Okay, only three classes are required. It is possible to complete in the next class also, not a problem. But all type of a question, uh, have to explain to you. For that purpose, I am taking time. That's all. Otherwise, it is only 3 days is enough for me. Okay, not a problem. So we will complete as early as possible.